We start out with 2 egg yolks, Dijon mustard. I like this sort of flat bowl to do that. Tilt it as I see fit. So we're gonna get this started with a few drops of oil. My arm's getting tired, but this is looking pretty good. Thickening. I think we're at a point where I can start adding the oil. Just thickening up. And I'm going to add a little more oil. We have a nice and thick paste here. And so to this I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. Well, first I'm going to add a little freshly cracked black pepper. I'm going to add some salt. I add a little lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a very little bit of vinegar. I'm going to bring this all together. You see, it went from that sort of deep yellow, lightened up a little bit. With the back of my spoon, you see the thickness of that consistency. Wow. So that is how you make homemade Dijonnaise or mayonnaise. You can see the consistency. I've poured it into this little resealable container. This will keep in the refrigerator for about a week, probably longer, but I wouldn't keep it there for much longer than a week. Make small batches at a time. You don't have to buy mayonnaise from the store.